Hi everyone, Anita here. These are the products I'll be using, and this great stamping plate from Creative Shop, and this Dark Night from Funky Fingers for stamping. I'm going to start this manicure as I always do with clean, dry nails with a peel-off base coat. This pink from Zoya I have used before, and I'll have all the products for you in the description box. And I'll link a card if you didn't get a chance to see that mani, because that was a beautiful one too. The color is really gorgeous. If you can't see what I'm doing there, I'm putting a little bit of light gray polish on a sponge, and I'm just going to sponge a little bit of color on each nail just for a little interest and maybe even a little more depth. I thought I had too much on this nail, so I did do a little dry brushing with that pink as well on top, just again for more interest. Now I have some nail art foils here that I'm just going to take and tear into little pieces, and I'm just going to put little speckles of that on each nail. Not a lot, but just randomly on each nail. Now once I have those down, I did do a top coat with a water base, and that was my no smear top coat, just so I didn't corrode the foils and so I could prepare my nails for the stamping. So I just cut out the water decal from She Modern that I'll be using in just a bit, and I'm going to start doing the stamping. So on that one finger I did stamp the gold off camera, so I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't. And as you see, I have a latex barrier on the nail as well. So once you get the two layers of stamping on, the gold and then the black, just do a quick cleanup, remove your barrier, do a quick cleanup, and just continue the process. Here you'll be able to see me put the gold down. Now these polishes that I'm working with today are not stamping polishes. They are regular nail polishes that do stamp. So you are able to stamp with some regular polishes if you don't think you have enough resources to, have a large collection or buy specific stamping polishes. There are polishes that do stamp very well. You just have to try them out. And this is Sally Hansen. Again, I'll have them all in the description box. And the Dark Night, I get it Five Below. So you don't really have to spend a lot of money to do very pretty nail art. Now this came out so beautiful in the pictures. On my nails, it didn't look like this to me. I don't know, maybe I was just being too picky, but I did not post this one on Instagram. You guys know I usually get the inspiration for nail art from different collaborations that I do on Instagram, and this one I just didn't feel. This was a no red Valentine's collab, and this is the nail art that I did for it, and I just chickened out. I was like, I think it's a bit much. So I never did post it to Instagram, but it looks so pretty here. I'm glad I did edit the video to share with you this weekend, because it looks really pretty here. Well, you guys let me know what you think of it. If you leave me a comment, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and let me know if you like the layered videos, because they're pretty fun to do. I like doing layered manis. And that Dark Night is a great polish. I use it a lot of times when I want a more delicate stamping result, especially with images like these that kind of look like branches or lightning. A thicker stamping polish might have those lines looking a lot thicker, maybe more bulky than I want it to look. And those are the times when I will go to just a regular nail polish, because it's not as thick as a stamping polish. So here is my water decal, and these are adorable. I love these. I got these from She Modern. I've won a lot of contests. I don't know if you guys have been following me for that long, but I'll put a card up for that as well, because I have won several of the She Modern nail arts from different YouTubers who have giveaways on their channels, and it's really cool. I have so many of them, so this is a great opportunity to use it. I love the way it looks. It came out really cool. So once you put a little bit of water on, you wait like 10 seconds, that decal slides right off the backing paper. Just stick it onto your nail. I did use foil glue to make sure that I got a good seal, or it stuck very well. So once the nail glue dries, then you just put your decal on it. I did a little accent painting on top of that with some of the gold polish, and then just used a no smear top coat once it was dry. Now I'm just top coating with my Seche Vite for a final top coat, and that's this one done. I have a few pictures coming up for you at the end. The last one will be the one with the matte top coat, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. You can stop at any point in this mani and like just do the foil or just do the stamping. It's all up to you and how you would want to do it. I just share the technique with you. If you like what you see and you'd like to subscribe, just click the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and the bell icon will notify you every time I upload a video, and that's once a week. Again, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.